In this video, we're making a baked crab mac and cheese made with gemelli pasta, bacon, and 4 different cheeses: Gouda, white cheddar, fontina, and mozzarella. First up, the cheese mixture. In a large bowl, add 2 cups Gouda, 1 cup white cheddar, 1 cup fontina, and 2 cups mozzarella. Give it a quick mix, set aside. Next, we make a roux. In a large pot, melt a 1/4 cup or a half stick of unsalted butter over low heat. Once the butter melts, add a 1/4 cup of flour. Whisk in the flour until nice and smooth, about 1 to 2 minutes. Pour in 4 cups of warm milk. Make sure it's warm too. You'll know the milk is warm enough to add when it's been reduced by about 1/3. If it's cold, lumps can form in the sauce. Then cook while stirring constantly with a wooden spoon for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the sauce thickens. Off the heat, add the cheese a few handfuls at a time, stirring with a wooden spoon after each addition. Try not to dump the cheese in all at once or it will clump up. This is why we combined them earlier. It allows for even distribution. Place the pot back on the heat and melt the cheese for another 1 to 2 minutes over medium heat. Add 1 pound of cooked, drained gemelli pasta, 1 cup of crab meat, a half cup or 6 slices of cooked bacon, roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon Old Bay seasoning, and some pepper. Mix well. Pour the pasta into a cast iron pan or baking dish. For the topping, in a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a half cup of breadcrumbs, and 1 tablespoon Parmesan cheese. Give it a quick mix. Sprinkle the breadcrumb mixture over the top of the pasta, followed by a 1/4 cup or 3 slices of cooked bacon roughly chopped. Before being placed into the oven, it should look something like this. Bake at 375 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the top is golden brown. And there we have it, a baked crab mac and cheese.